Hello, welcome to Tractor Flips for Dummies. In this video, we're going to be doing an air filter change on model 1438 HXL Toro. First, you come up, grab your hood, pull forward, look at your engine. This one happens to be a 14.5 horsepower Quiet Plus made by Toro. This would be your air filter box. You remove the screw. This is just general maintenance. Pop the lid off of it. As you can see, this filter here is pretty dirty. The pre-filter here looks like it's kind of disintegrated a little bit. It's pretty nasty. You just pull it off. Then I'd remove any debris, kind of clean it up a little bit with whatever you have. Just get like a little piece of a paper towel or something, just wipe it off. You can clean it up real good if you want to. This is just an example. Then you just go online or go to your local store and buy one. I happen to grab this one online. It's for $7-8. At our local stores, they charge like up to $20 for this filter. And the aftermarket works just as good, in my opinion. This one's for a 12.5 to 17 horsepower. Comes with the pre-filter and everything. You just open it up. There we go. Sorry about that. And I would just stick it on top there, the big end facing the front of the tractor. There we are there. Then you just take your pre-filter here, and I would just kind of fit it over top. Probably works better with two hands. How about that? There we go. Nothing too special. There we go. And then I would just slide my cover over top. Put your screw back over, your nut back over at the top there, screw it on real nice and tight. You can even wipe it off, clean it up a little bit. Close your hood. And that's how quick and easy an air filter change is. For $8. That's just general maintenance. This was on a Toro wheel horse, 1438 HXL. Thanks for watching.